Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your Acer color preset on your Acer XB241H. So in order to do that, we'll need to press the second button on our monitor, then go for the input, it's the same button, and now press the fourth button right here to go for the picture settings, and now select the picture Acer Ecolor management with the same button. From here you are able to change the settings, preset settings with a second or third button. So let me go through all of them. So after you selected the one that you like, you can simply press the escape button, it's the fifth button right here. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.